Are you wondering how to create a new workspace in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. And you'll be really pleased to hear that it's very, very simple. Now, you may be here because you may have tried to create a workspace via the left-hand panel. You might have right-clicked over here and noticed that there is no option to create a workspace. Well, that's because you need to create a workspace from your account profile. So to do that, log into your Asana account, make sure you're on the home interface, and then click your account logo in the top right-hand corner here. You then simply need to press the New Workspace button. At that point, give your workspace a name and add any members that you would like to have included on this workspace by default. If you don't want to add any members, you don't have to. At that stage, hit Create Workspace and your workspace will be created. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. And if you're new to Asana, do consider subscribing to my channel. If you head over to my channel, you'll notice I have a playlist entirely on Asana training. So if you're new to the tool, I would check that out because you're going to learn a lot about the functionality and ensure that you get the most out of this platform for you. So with all that said, I hope you have an excellent day.